Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the mic and app so you don't waste time later. Plug in or enable your microphone and make sure system input is selected. Open Google Docs in Chrome or the Google Docs mobile app because voice typing lives there. On iPhone, install Gboard and enable dictation. Sign into your Google account, then create or open a document. Once done, position the cursor where you want text to appear and prepare to enable voice typing controls. You now enable the feature and configure it for accuracy. On desktop, go to Tools, choose Voice Typing, pick the correct language, then click the microphone icon to begin. On Android, tap the microphone key on Gboard or the mic in the Docs app and accept microphone permissions when prompted. Make sure voice input language matches your accent and toggle automatic punctuation if available. Speak clearly and use short commands, period, comma, new line, so Google inserts punctuation and breaks as you dictate. You finish by stopping recording and cleaning up the transcript. Click or tap the mic to stop, then read through the text and correct misheard words with the keyboard. Make formatting edits as needed. Once satisfied, export, share, or apply styles in Docs. If things go wrong, first check microphone permissions and your internet connection. Unstable Wi-Fi causes dropouts. Make sure the voice language matches your speech, and restart the app or browser if recognition stalls. That usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.